One Park Drive is the landmark residential tower at Wood Wharf, which is Canary Wharf's new residential-led district. It's also our first collaboration with Swiss architect Herzog de Meuron. We worked with Canary Wharf Group, our client, to develop the whole strategy for the master plan, and we took a number of the buildings to detailed design for the planning application. To design and facilitate the build at One Park Drive, we had to overcome a series of challenges. The first, the tower sits over what was originally dock, so land reclamation was required. Secondly, the architects envisaged a building form derived from multiple residential typologies with highly variable floor plates. The third is the highly sculptured elevation, which poses challenges to the structural interface with the thermal envelope design and detailing.
The tower location is at the prominent southwest corner of Wood Wharf, an area originally sitting beyond the dock wall, so land had to be reclaimed from the dock to create the building and a new public park. We work with Canary Wharf contractors at the master plan stage to devise a strategy to undertake the land grab back. For the different flat typologies, we have essentially 3 types of floors, which are in turn divided in up to 3 subfloor arrangements. We set of 3 vent stacks and spiral upwards. The client insisted on no transfer structures, so we developed a system of blade walls that are aligned vertically, yet extending length into and out of the facade, reaching out where required to support the extremities of the slab edges. The pixelated nature of the cluster apartments with overlapping balconies and terraces meant we couldn't use thermal breaks to form balconies, as this joint would show in flux below, so the solution was thermally wrap the entire structure and balconies with a facade. The floors are reinforced concrete flat slabs. However, in the 4 corners of the cluster, where I'm standing right now, we couldn't use any column, so we locally introduced post tension, which assists in the critical slab edge deflection control to allow the facade to be detailed within typical movement limits. Rigorous analysis allowed us to optimize the structure in a way that kept movement to a minimum and eliminated the need for column presetting.
Wood Wharf has injected new life into this unused plot of land and brought residential living to Canary Wharf Estate. And One Park Drive now currently stands as the 4th tallest residential tower in London, and in our view, one of the most distinctive.